nutrigenomix about Nutrigenomix is a University of Toronto startup biotechnology company that is dedicated to empowering healthcare professionals and their clients with comprehensive, reliable genomic information with the ultimate goal of improving health through personalized nutrition. We had our official launch in Canada at Dietitians of Canada's annual conference in Toronto, June 14, 2012. Our Australian launch was September 7, 2012 at International Congress Dietitian in Sydney, where we were official sponsors. We launched Dietitians in US on October 6, 2012. Okay, the most amazing thing that I found about this company is that they have grown up pretty fast. Like in few years, like they have launched themselves internationally to another country, Australia. So that's really a good growth. Facilities. Research. Nutrigenomix is dedicated to supporting scientific research that advances and understanding the role of nutrition in human health. We are developing a research funding program to support university-based research programs and provide travel grants to students and scholars to attend conferences and workshops on nutrigenomics. We will also fund specific dietitian research programs. Information. That's good. If we go to location finder, okay, London. Okay, that's good. In London, there's a good amount of clinics in London. Okay, let's try to register on the website. Oh, their registration process is pretty much sorted. And if you actually enter the homepage of the website, the use of the graphics is pretty amazing. Like it's eye-catching, it fascinates the user. The use of the color, the content on the website, and the way they have located the content on the page, it's really good. The information provided on the page is pretty specific. They are not exaggerating anything. They have the specific amount of information, so that they are also using this. They are also saving the user's time, as well as they are providing all the information that is important. One suggestion that will make this website better is that the size of font. I believe that size of font is pretty small. They should use bigger font size for the website. That's the only thing they need to do. Otherwise, the website is pretty good. If I have to rate the website on the scale of 10, I'd rate this website 7 at least. Thank you.